How to fix Snapchat, something went wrong photos. Hello everyone, in today's video we talk about how to fix this on your Snapchat. Just watch this video till the end. So first guys, you have to go and open the settings of your phone. Here you have to open apps option. Where is apps option? Here you will find all the applications that you have on your phone. You will search only for Snapchat. When you found Snapchat, click on it and scroll down, go to storage, hit go to the last button, clear data and click OK. And then you have to back and click on force stop and click OK. Now to go to this option set as a default, make sure that this option is allowed like this, and that's it. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like it. Also subscribing in our channel. If you have any question, you can write it down in comments, and see you in other videos.